How to export a file on Dropbox app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to export a file on Dropbox in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simply go to Dropbox. As you can see, this is the home page. Now choose the file that you want to export. For example, I'm going to choose this one right here. Click on those three dots right here like this, and now scroll down until you find export and click on export. Now as you can see, you can export this file now easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and as you can see right here, you can choose WhatsApp, Dropbox, Nearby Share, Huawei Share, Gmail, Drive, Bluetooth, or you can save it to your device. If this video was helpful, as I said, please don't forget to like.